Welcome back to Ukraine Train Chop Shop. What's really going on? What we have here is a tank from the Honda Magna 1986 that I picked up for $300 the other day. It didn't come with a set of keys. And what I'm going to show you today is how to pick this lock to have your tank open without a key. You don't need any like super cool lockpick tools and whatnot. All you really need is a flat hat, screwdriver, and you need to find, so it's gonna have a riffles on one side where the key goes. It's gonna be like a spring-loaded pins, and I have identified that it's gonna be on this side. So, and the other side is just gonna be flat. There's gonna be nothing on that other side. So you wanna stick your screwdriver pretty much on the flat side where you don't have your rolling pins. And what you wanna do is, let me situate this camera a little better. That way you guys can see. What you wanna do is, you have another small, I have the small flat screwdriver just like that. And you're gonna stick it in there, and you're gonna start pretty much, you're gonna put the pressure on this flathead screwdriver just like that, and you're gonna start removing the little sliding pins on the other side. You can actually kind of feel them. Alright, welcome back. Situate my camera a little better, just so you guys can have a better idea of what I'm talking about here. Alright, so you want to start moving the pins. You want to provide the pressure on your flathead screwdriver so it kind of tries to turn it, and you want to wiggle it back and forth. You want to get this tool, the second one, all the way down and start trying to remove those sliding pins to the side while you providing the pressure. And it was a little bit of a trial and error. You should be able to pick this lock just like I did a few seconds ago. And then move, like, start from the bottom and kind of work your way up with all the pins. And as you can see, I'm turning, I got it turned. It just takes a little bit of trial and error, but I have the key completely turned, or the lock completely picked. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now I can inspect my tank, and I'm gonna show you how you can clean your tank later on and hopefully test your bike and have it on the road again. Stay tuned for more videos.